I am so excited to share this new website with you. I'm Tanya Parkin, and I'm the OSIC at Lomitas Elementary School. This Whiteboard website is the answer to so many teachers' questions about how can I check for understanding when I'm in a distance learning environment. Zoom has an excellent whiteboard that's great for teachers to demonstrate skills and demonstrate concepts. It's difficult, though, for us as teachers to be able to get a read on how our students are doing or check for understanding in order to be able to see all of their whiteboards at the same time. So this website just might be what you're looking for. When you get to the homepage, it's very straightforward. Every time you go to the website, you will click as the teacher, new class, because nothing is archived, there's no account to create, and no data is saved. So every time you go, it's like the first time. So as the teacher, you're going to click new class. You're going to name your class and create a class. It will create a code for you to give to your students. If you're in Zoom, you could just copy the whole thing and paste it in the chat box for them to click on. Even simpler than that, the only code that's really important is what's after the last backslash. So on a student device, if a student was going to do something like this is the student's view. They would click join class, and their join code is D3A. So they're going to type in D3A and click join class. We'll need to put their name, and they will join the whiteboard class. So this is what the student sees. The student sees my whiteboard, which is their own, and then they can also see your whiteboard, the teacher. They cannot see each other's whiteboards, which is super awesome when you're trying to protect anonymity and you're trying to create a safe space for students to take some risks. So when I move this out of the way, you can see that the teacher view is my whiteboard and my class whiteboard. So you now can see if we had 7 students, all 7 whiteboards would be here. Note that you can go up here and hide the names if you choose, so that if you had all of them up and you wanted to share your screen view with your class in Zoom, you could then show all of the responses with the names removed. Keep it simple. I'm going to just keep our names on here. So as the teacher, you can use any of these tools to kind of play with. I encourage you to play with it first. I'm just going to use the text option to create a quick text box to just simply maybe say, hi, class, I have missed you. What is one thing you have been doing to keep busy? So this is my whiteboard as the teacher. Class, again, you're just going to see whatever their students are doing. So this is my whiteboard. Now let's look at our student view one more time and see what they see. So here's the teacher's whiteboard. You're going to see whatever you put on there. So if you have a prompt or something you want to ask them, you're going to put it here. On their whiteboard, they can respond with anything they want. So if they're going to do read a book as their response, as the teacher, I can see my whiteboard and I can see my whole class's whiteboard and each individual response. That's it, guys. That's as simple as it gets for this website. When you're finished, you want to erase, you can always clear it, ask another question, go back, do it again. When you're all done with this session, please don't forget to close the room. That way students can't be in there without you. So we're going to go ahead and close the room and end our demo for today. So again, it's whiteboard.fi. Create a new class each time. Give your students that 3-digit or 4-digit code on the very end. They join your class. You can see all of their whiteboards. They cannot see each other's. They can only see yours. I hope that this is a helpful tool for you. Thanks for hanging out. Have a great day. Keep being awesome.